Mistreating the system, I never stop at customs. I guess they love me like I'm Atif Aslam. Double A's on the name, but the steak triple. And it's cooked in front of us, the flame sizzle.
Atif Aslam is also a content creator now. Who is a very good content creator.
Don't throw bottle at Talha Anjum. That was a recent one where people were like, why shouldn't we throw bottle? I was like, bro, you dumb? Like,
We
are you
paid for the ticket and we paid for the bottle.
if I'm getting fake 100,000, मुझे bot से क्या, like 100,000 stream से क्या हो जाएगा? Like musical colonization इधर चल रही है.
Welcome, Argentinary, to Parkavelian. Welcome back to Salman. He is feeling very well today.
Thank you.
And yeah, we had to bring this guy on. We literally had to bring him on. Socially conscious, hilarious, and also a lyrical miracle. Give it up for the one and only Ansar.
Thank you guys. Happy to be here. Happy to be here.
So much for coming, bro. So this entire show is going to be, you're going to set the tone for this entire show by how you answer these first two questions. So
Lots of pressure.
yeah, bro. So top 5 favorite Pakistani influencers and top 5 rappers who you're listening to right now.
So my top 5. Yeah, Pakistani influencers. ये तो बहुत मुश्किल सवाल है.
यही तो that's the thing.
I have
The
to-
entire conversation जो है यहाँ पे हो जाएगी.
मैं 5 नाम लूंगा जो 15 दूसरे दोस्त हैं वो कहेंगे उल्लू का पट्टा.
Explain, याद रखना है इसको बात.
उसके बाद
In no
Yeah.
particular order. You can mention honorable mentions as well, but that's like
honorable mention की list जो है ना कल तक चलती रही. I love all my influencer friends. Top 5 artists that I'm listening to right now. Rappers.
yeah.
Freddie Gibbs. These days, I'm listening to a lot of Mike. I'm listening to
Mike, ये
Girl Sweatshirt का जो boy है.
ऐसे नहीं यार.
I'm listening to him. And then I'm listening to a lot of Drake always, bro. I'm always listening to Drake. I can't. I do love Drake.
Give me 2 more. Or just like the ones that you, not currently right now, but who do you think's the GOAT?
Oh, Andre 3000
Oh, what a fucking answer.
and Nas.
Jab boy jo hai, ab
I
aap
was
समझ आ
on-
गई है,
Culture.
like,
Culture.
culture. It's not like, no disrespect to like the conventional answers, but like boy ne Andre 3 stacks ka mention kiya hai, so you know how much he's into the rap game.
Absolutely. Also, honorable mention to Ka. I've been listening to a lot of Ka. Rest in peace. He passed away last year. That's one of my favorites, man.
Abhi main इससे मिला था ना the other day. I asked him कि like, oh, so who are you listening to? जिस तरह बाकी जो rappers musicians आते हैं. And this is no disrespect to you or to anyone I'm mentioning, but I thought बोलेगा यार Kanye West पसंद है,
I do love
Eminem पसंद है, ये वो. But like when he said Ka, मैंने कहा, oh अच्छा, अच्छा man of culture. Oh.
I did love Kanye though. I think if you had asked me like 5 or 6 years ago now, without hesitation, I'd be like, yeah, Kanye West, obviously. अब बहुत मुश्किलों से I have to ignore the voice in my head that's saying Kanye, 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 Kanye,
But
Kanye.
Kanye as a singer, you could always be like, yeah.
I mean, his last 3 albums, even just from a musical
थोड़ा सा
perspective, no,
ध्यान कर. मैं Vultures 1 मुझे बहुत पसंद लगी.
didn't like it, bro. It's so unpolished.
Back to Me, Fried, ये क्या?
Bro, एक तो they're not his songs. Like he was very little involvement in those music. B,
Bro,
they're
beautiful
all.
naked women don't just follow this guy.
Freddie gives his verse on that was crazy. That was a crazy verse. But I just did not feel like I didn't evoke anything in me in the way old Kanye would. Up until Life of Pablo, even वो क्या उसका नाम है? Jesus is King. I liked that album, contrary to popular belief. And then what was his other one? Donda 1 भी ठीक थी.
Donda 1 मुझे अच्छी लगी थी. Donda 2.
Donda 2 though it was like rough drafts. That's all it was.
So bro, like, is it difficult for you to क्या नाम है, separate the art from the artist? Do you think that's possible? ये करना तुम्हारे लिए, not just तुम्हारे लिए, but you think, let's put it out there, like.
I personally, it's really hard for me, man. Sometimes they don't even have to be problematic on a Kanye level. अगर वो कुछ बस corny सी बात कर लेना. Who did I was listening to Daniel Caesar a lot. And then he was defending some racist white woman. उसका क्या Yes Jules उसको defend कर रहा था. And I was like, why are you defending this racist ass white woman, bro? उसके बाद मैं उसके गाने अब सुनता हूँ, मैं वो cringe करता हूँ. तो was it like I still listen here and there, but I was a big fan of him. I saw him live twice. So it's just like, I guess you can to a certain point. I think it's a philosophical debate, for sure. But when people start getting harmed now, or when the views get very problematic, as like it is with Kanye, then it's like, okay, we shouldn't be giving this person a platform. I have a fix for this actually.
अच्छा बता.
मैंने क्या किया था, मैंने कान्ये के जो पुराने गाने, the ones that I like listening to ना, मैंने उनको ऑफलाइन डाउनलोड करके ताकि गिल्ट फ्री मैं सुन सकता हूँ. उसको पैसे नहीं मिल रहे मेरे स्ट्रीम्स के, बट ऑब्वियसली यू स्टिल हैव दैट चाइल्डहुड कनेक्शन टू द म्यूजिक, दैट इंस्पिरेशनल. बट इवन नाउ वो भी मैं बहुत कम सुनता हूँ.
So you heard it here. If you want to listen to some band artists, steal from them. Steal from them. बहुत आला यार. नहीं, I understand where you're coming from. मेरे लिए तो अभी क्या नाम है, बहुत ही मेरे लिए अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन थी कि मुझे डिडी जो है पसंद आना शुरू हुआ राइट बिफोर उसकी लाइक ये सारी चीजें आई, and I was like, man,
It's not bad,
bro, not bad is an
His party
understatement.
sound
He was so good.
but he didn't write his own stuff.
Bro, गाने के ऊपर जो Spotify पे जाते थे तो लिखता था song by Diddy, और फिर साथ ही that Cassie video came out and I was like, अच्छा ये जो है ना.
Man, horrible. Hope they lock him up.
But
What do you guys think? Can you separate the art from the artist?
bro, I can. I feel like it's more of a conscientious या self awareness की बात आ जाती है that let's say उसने कोई outlandish बात कर दी बंदे ने या बंदी ने, it comes down to you if you actually realize कि if you want to like accept that as something that you believe in or if that's something that you like resonate with. हाँ, but आपकी बात बिल्कुल ठीक है. When people start getting hurt,
Yeah.
वहाँ पे फिर like
You're like,
अच्छा यहाँ पे जो है ना थोड़ा
So
सा
मेरा थोड़ा सा extreme on the opposite spectrum है that if let's say because I'm a consumer, if I don't have anything better than what I'm already consuming,
yeah.
and let's say it's you know like उसका पीछे से वो कहीं पे linked with evil and other shamans and stuff है, I'll still consume it.
उसकी जो ramifications हैं वो फिर like,
Yeah, I'm a consumer. I'm paying for the service, and yeah, मैं वहाँ तक रखता हूँ. Like I keep it till myself. कि like okay,
Don't you feel guilty though?
I don't.
You-
I don't.
okay, do you like R. Kelly by the way? Not the person, his music फिर.
Of course. I don't think anyone ever liked the person, even when he was a big thing. Yeah.
उसकी video देखी है? Are you into teenagers?
Yeah.
And he's like, when you say teenagers, how old we talking? You're just like, that's literally the worst way to answer that fucking question.
Nah, he's messed up, bro. I listened to a lot of R. Kelly growing up.
But पैसे
उसका जो
उसको पैसे नहीं मिलते from his music.
The victims get the money. Yeah, there are some, I think, उसका जो Usher के साथ गाना था, उसका Same Girl.
Mm-hmm.
Then obviously the
Remix to Ignition.
yeah, Ignition remix and all those, like those, I don't know. I still do, when it comes on shuffle, I tell myself, "Acha, the victims are getting money from this." I still feel dirty.
Yeah, they're going to be reminded that they're the victims
I'm
because they
just like,
receive some money.
How old is the girl he's singing about? In this-
Yeah,
I just feel uncomfortable.
No, so like I also recently listened to like I was like, yeah, acha, isko, because this list came out of like the top R&B like artists of all time, like 100 nikle the. R. Kelly was like top 10,
Yeah, he is.
and he was amongst the people who like Stevie Wonder the, I think top 10 के अंदर Michael Jackson, Prince, etc., etc. When you're being mentioned in that like regard, I was like, यार अब तो सुनना ही पड़ेगा ये क्या है. And then I
You didn't
listened.
listen to
Bro, मैंने वो सुना हुआ था, I believe I can fly.
what a song.
वो मैंने I was like fair enough. But फिर मैंने ये सुने सारे. I listened to the actual like Ignition जो पहले निकला था. And then I listened फिर वो पूरी album. I was like, man, चोर ये तो boy like full talent तो बहुत था.
No, he was incredible, God-given voice. But
They're usually talented, by the way.
that's one.
Yeah.
if you're not separating the art from the artist, a lot of people ये भी करते. They're like, अच्छा, Kanye West are problematic. R. Kelly problematic. His music wasn't good.
Mm-hmm.
No, man, he was
pretty good.
one of the goats for sure. But he's also just happens to be a terrible human being, and now we shouldn't give him a platform. But that doesn't take away the fact that he is up there. Like, I'm not gonna.
उसको जो है ना उसको क्या नाम है prison के अंदर उसको कहना चाहिए गाने बना.
I'm sure he does.
Karaoke nights host करता होगा. हाँ.
नहीं उस तरह like karaoke तो शायद कर लेता होगा.
हाँ, host करता होगा, bro. Like full on like show करता होगा.
prisons में होते
हाँ.
हैं shows.
Probably. हाँ.
पहले तो होते थे. I don't know. अभी भी like Johnny Cash used to perform in prisons and stuff.
A lot of comedians go and like
Yeah, they
like
do
they do a stand up.
हाँ ये.
Yeah, हाँ.
अच्छा, so staying on this topic, do you think like influencers and content creation, अब थोड़ा difference यहाँ पे आ जाता है कि ये जो artists हैं वो तो कह रहे होते हैं कि like you know oh, we're just painting a picture, हम बस ये कर रहे हैं, वो कर रहे हैं. Do you feel like content creators, they're giving you like a slice of life in a sort of way? Do you think अब content creators के जो online personality है, उसको उनके like, can you separate their art from that person as well? इस तरह कुछ होता है?
Like if they're problematic?
No, just generally. Yeah, well, problematic ही बात भी कर लेते हैं. You think it's more difficult to do that?
No, I think it's easier to do that.
Oh.
Because you're not like, I don't know, like influencers don't change your life. Like I didn't grow up watching it. Like, you know what I mean? Like, so if some influencer does something problematic, just unfollow them. I know you're not missing out.
No, let's say hypothetically, like I was going to take the guy's name, but वो बंदा बड़ा शरीफ है, that don't want like put him in a bad light or something. But like, let's say एक बंदा है, he's like made a litany of like hilarious stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Like जो जिस तरह हम for example jokes बनाते हैं.
Yeah, हाँ. Yeah.
वो बड़ा fit था, ये वो, and we would like watch it as like comfort. Let's say Philly का example लेते हैं.
हाँ.
Actually, हाँ. Do you know Young Phillies?
Yeah.
And like so back in the day क्या 4 साल पहले COVID के time पे I stumbled across his work and Chunks' work.
Mm-hmm.
And like वो था Does the Shoe Fit? It was this like really funny dating show, and I was like, bro, this is fucking hilarious.
Yeah.
So you know, he's been like उसके against ये चीजें.
Allegations.
So do you think it's easier to like do you think people can still watch that stuff of his? Yeah. Do you think like it's अच्छा तो नहीं हो सकता? You feel like it?
I wouldn't. Yeah.
Separating I'm just trying to create an allegory between like musicians and
I think it's
content
harder.
creations.
It's harder to give up a musician that's problematic
Uh-huh.
because it's not like we watch the same video in our free time the way we listen to the same songs in our free time.
True.
Like
yeah.
you have the attachment, at least for me, I think actually for everyone, I can speak for everyone. We're not watching Chunks videos while we're driving our car going, ha yaar, rewind karo ye bahut fit hai. So, but we are with music. So at least for me, that means if my favorite artist that I grew up listening to and I'm so attached, like when I think of a certain song, I can think of a memory to that song. So us tarah, when I think of a certain video, I don't think of like, I'm like, ye maine tab dekhi thi yaar. Movies, yeah, I guess, but not like influencers or content creation. I think we're not that important in society. So when they do stuff like that, I'm just like, cut ho ya. It's unfortunate. Maybe you were attached to like a series like the Does the Shoe Fit or Ye Sideman Ke podcast. They're like, oh, that sucks that he had to be such a terrible person that I can't anymore. But
fair enough, I understand that. So bro, tell me something. So how would you describe like would you consider yourself a content creator or an influencer? फर्क होता है इन दोनों में वैसे?
Yeah, he's a content creator, but he doesn't. He's a content creator.
यासिर, आप अपने आप को content creator बोलेंगे?
हाँ यार, content नहीं बनाते. अभी
It-
वैसे
it
पता है
has-
अभी पता है वैसे मुझे पहले क्या दिखा रहे थे, कहते हैं ये देखिए मैंने एक नया पॉडकास्ट की शुरू की है. बड़ी अच्छी बात है यार करे.
Do you think there's a difference between them?
I don't know. I feel like they both carry like negative connotations now. I feel influencers are maybe like the beauty and wellness kind of people that वो लगाते ही mostly ads ही हैं. Or it's like they have a product and then they make videos showing you that product, or they're like get ready with me and stuff like that maybe. And content creators are like people who make like original. At least this is my. I don't know if these are like the set. Like just
जरा Google कर यार यहाँ पे.
यार अच्छा मैं भी इसके अंदर थोड़ा सा वैसे डालूं कि इसके अंदर I would say that influencers are people who make their personal brands. So in Pakistan, I would say who's a good influencer, good example, Park Wheels guy.
Okay.
What's his name?
Sunil Manj.
Sunil Manj. Big fan.
Soon.
Big fan. Coming soon. Influencer. He influences the market and he also makes content. Content creator, Muru.
Acha.
Good at his work. Eventually, yeah, then he also does like deals, brand deals and stuff. So वो एक थोड़ा सा influencer.
It's like a Venn diagram. Like
Exactly.
overlap है,
Yeah.
but some people are content creators who are not.
Yeah.
Berlin पे हमने बड़ी कोई
Yeah.
not just a couple of funny handsome guys. Fucking hell, bro. ये कभी मैंने सोचा ही नहीं इसके बारे में.
Like I would say that that's my take on it. In Pakistani, if I look at the whole thing, okay, yeah, Sunil Manj is a great influencer. Uske hai automotive and other things, and I would say Muru's a great content creator.
She's like
Yeah.
example.
But Muru, I'm a bigger fan of your music, just by the way. Yeah, so random question. Muru as a content creator or as a musician?
He's good at both, man.
Content
But I do like
creator.
it. But I think his music is
No.
great, yeah.
Really?
कौन सा गाना?
No
Tasveer?
shade.
Yeah, I mean, like, बहुत गाने हैं, लेकिन yeah.
Like the
Tasveer is
Tasveer is-
the one.
he's a but that's saying something considering how good he is at content creation.
Yeah, that's so true.
I think his music is really cool. I think I'm kind of like that too. So I like that because you wouldn't expect his music to be that serious given his type of content, and I think the same can be said about me as well. So I really like that contrast.
I just think his content creation game is like unmatched.
नहीं, obviously, वो
So
तो
वो तो like
not
he'd have to be
dissing on the
something
content
like
creation.
no, he'd have to be something like Atif for me to think कि like उसकी
I mean, like,
content games के बेहतर उसका music है.
Atif Aslam is also a content creator now.
Who is a very good content creator. by the way.
Not,
नहीं.
yeah, he doesn't listen to like
Oh.
singers who have done some cringy things.
Look, here's my opinion. I do like his content. It's not original. B, he's not making it. He has a team who's making it for him. C, the point is not to make content for the elevator. It's to maintain relevance with a younger generation.
Yep.
So I'm just like, at this point, are you a content creator? You're not shooting the video. You're not editing the video. You're not thinking the ideas of the video. So you have a whole team doing it for you. तो फिर कहाँ से content, which content is being created? No one would watch this if you weren't who you are.
That's one way to look at it.
So, like, no disrespect to him, but I think if he was doing like remixes with younger people, now he is, or like lo-fi music या जो भी उस तरह करके, I think that would resonate with a younger audience more than just making a video that 100,000 people have already made, but yours is going viral because you're
Already famous and yeah.
Well,
That's strange.
never that point of view never crossed my mind. But it critically analyzed किया है वो.
Because I don't know, I watched a couple of his videos and they were funny, but I was just like, I've seen all of these videos before.
इस pod का जो वो होगा ना clickbait. Answer this is
I freaking love Atif Aslam. I love Atif
Cut
Aslam. He's done so much for the culture, but that man can do whatever he wants. I never have a bad thing to say about him.
Yeah, solid guy. So bro, how would you describe like बड़ा critical analysis किया, and I would never ever think like क्या नाम है इतने critically analyze मैंने तो कभी किसी का content नहीं किया. So how would you describe your content, by the way? Like I mean, funny तो obviously socially conscious obviously as well, but how would, like, out of your words, how would you describe what you make?
Yeah, I think when people ask me that don't know what type of content I make, I usually say कि हाँ वही socially aware comedic videos, like yeah, कोई comedy with like a message behind it. So I think when I got into this content creation stuff, there was at that time, now alhamdulillah, there's a big like community that speaks about this stuff, and I think even just the average creator now that's not involved in social issues will speak up for that. So I really like that. But at that time, there was basically no one, and also all of the content creators at that time that I was seeing, they were kind of just making fun of people that have always been made fun of, and we were typical dupatta ye ya wo, and I was just like, acha, like what if we actually did some positive messaging and like we flipped the switch on that and used it for social issues.
I don't understand. क्या मतलब?
Yeah, you know, like the typical content can make fun of your mom, wear dupatta, and women be like wale jo, or like your mother when she makes chai, ya jo basic bottom of the barrel.
Mind you, एक ज़ैद अली टी ने बनाया था जो मैं अपनी अम्मी को दिखाता था. ये आप है my mom. I love my mom, love you mom. But like she used to say कि मैं तुम्हारी अम्मी सिर्फ नहीं, मैं तुम्हारी friend भी हूँ, मैं तुम्हारी friend. And like he made that video and I was like, this is you. But खैर हाँ, so हाँ एक time था when there was just literally that actually.
But I'm talking more TikTok and stuff. Like when TikTok was just on the rise now.
I didn't see the rise of TikTok like
So
most type.
I'm old. But yeah.
What do you think of the content creation game right now in Pakistan?
ये दोबारा कर रहे हैं, इसको टच करते हैं तो आवाज आती है.
What do you think of the content creation game in Pakistan right now?
Yeah,
What do you think it's in a good place? You think like what do you want to see changed? Yeah, what do you want to see more of actually?
I feel like everyone's a content creator, man. Like everyone, ab sabhi, like
इतनी इसने soothing आवाज में बोली है.
I don't know. What would I like to see different, or what do I think? I don't really have any thoughts about it. I actually, funnily enough, I don't consume that much content.
Oh,
Like, I'm not a big doom scroller guy.
oh, acha.
So I don't really have an opinion of it. I just pretty much watch the reels that my friends send to me.
Mm-hmm.
And if there's one thing I would like to see, it's more originality. Mostly people's trends सब follow कर रहे हैं या वो यार it's just a peddle products. I think my biggest pet peeve is when someone gets really famous and then they just do ads. Bas ads. Yeah, I followed you because you're funny, or I followed you because you're artistic, and now everything is just an ad. That pisses me.
100%. But by the way, ये काफी लोग हैं जिन्होंने they've started making like hilarious content related जिसके अंदर ad होता है like I don't know if you know this guy called Abbas Bukhari.
He's good.
He's
great.
hilarious.
I think he's probably one of the funniest content creators, right?
Bro, 100%. And like अभी उसका कोई show भी था. Apparently वो इस्लामाबाद में था, but like I really wanted to see his stuff.
How was the show, by the way? Because usually, no shade to all content creators of Pakistan, but content creators who are funny online are usually not good at.
I don't know
He's
how
a
to do it.
terrific stand-up comedian.
Really?
He's a terrific stand-up
Nice.
comedian. I think, yeah, no, he's changing the scope of stand-up comedy in Pakistan, in my
Nice.
opinion. I've been to a lot of stand-up shows here.
अच्छा.
Yeah, well, not a lot, like a good amount.
He's Vilo ने किया था वो भी like. खैर, never mind. That was
नहीं, वो तो अब्बास का ही था ना, Vilo वाला.
कौन बहुत ज़्यादा कौन करता है? We know the guy. I always forget his name. He's an excellent actor. हमारा वो भी था, क्या नाम है? गोरा सा clean shave guy है.
Fahad.
Shah Fahad.
Mike के सामने
Shah Fahad. Have you been to his stand-up comedy?
I wouldn't know the names of any of them,
Ah, okay.
but yeah, man, like the crowds that Abbas is pulling in, and the natural, I think, because I'm a big stand-up comedy guy. Like I grew up watching a lot of stand-up comedy, and I like used to study comedy. Like, okay, what makes something funny and stuff. So stand-up comedy, like I think I know a lot about it. That guy's a natural stand-up comedian. Like it's not like just say reword your videos and say them, which a lot of content like comedy content creators do. He's an actual stand-up comedian. He's
इसका मतलब है कि प्लान पास हो गया. हमारे फ्यूचर में पाकिस्तान किल टोनी एपिसोड निकलने लगा.
The 100%. 100%. But on that topic, bro, who's your favorite comedian then?
yeah.
Chalo, let's give it like a do-teen thing though.
So it used to be Dave Chappelle. I don't like his new stuff that much anymore. But everything pre-Netflix, that guy was a genius. Eddie Murphy के मुझे बहुत पसंद थे. Delirious and Raw. For their time, they're really good. And then I really like Bill Burr. Bill Burr is great.
Waiting for that answer. Bill Burr is, I think, the greatest comedian ever.
He's too good, man. He's supernatural with it. And who else do I? Yeah, Richard Pryor.
Richard Pryor, solid.
Yeah, he's.
Before he was cancelled, Louis C.K. Hilarious.
हाँ, वो भी अच्छा था. He was really good. But वो, I think, हाँ यार, बहुत ही अच्छे हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा है. There's another one. I liked his. उसका क्या नाम था? Neil Brennan.
Neil Brennan, he wrote for Chappelle's
Show as well. His
So,
one stand-up, his last one wasn't that good, but the one before that was great. It was like laugh out loud funny. But he's really good as well.
बहुत आला. What do you think? That's an interesting question. How would you rate the country's ability to take a joke? Like Pakistaniyon ko, like, you throw out content out
Much
there.
better than you expect, by the way.
Really?
Yeah.
I think.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I wouldn't.
If the joke's about you, if it comes at your expense, I think we're a very entitled nation, man. Entitlement बहुत है.
एक कॉमेडी के अंदर
भी
फिर
तो
एक
किसी-
पंचिंग अप एंड पंचिंग डाउन का भी फिर वो आ जाता है. Then you're like एक वो चीज है. And the other thing is yours.
नहीं, मैं एक और बोल.
मेरा एक और उसका इनपुट ये है कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा किल टोनी देखता हूँ रिलीजियसली. लाइक मैं मदरशिप के ऊपर मुझे ये भी पता है कि कौन से लोग पता नहीं कहाँ से.
I don't know what Kill Tony is, by the way.
Okay, you should definitely recommend. It's a YouTube show.
Okay.
It's YouTube comedy.
सब देखें Kill Tony, it's hilarious.
Yeah.
It's like a podcast type of thing.
It's like a live podcast where they invite comedians, they do a minute,
हाँ.
and then they, like, for example, हम बैठे होंगे, we're doing the podcast, someone will come up and do a minute stand-up.
हाँ.
और फिर if they're bad, उनकी बेइज्जती करेंगे.
अच्छा.
They like interview them.
And then they basically 1 minute of material and then about 5 to 10 minutes of questioning. But mind you, the guys on the panel are also not just podcasters. They're Legends of the
Just not like Shane Gillis aa jayega.
Oh yeah, he's
like,
really good, isn't he?
Yeah. Like बीच में बहुत random like Post Malone or like इस तरह के लोग भी आ जाएंगे.
Okay.
They
Freddie
also,
Gibbs भी आया था.
Oh no way.
they also do a roast battle. ठीक है.
Oh, that's sick. Actually, I think I've seen clips of this. Yeah.
और जब मैं roast battle देखता हूँ मैं कहता हूँ how is this any different to Faisalabad? क्योंकि Faisalabadis are known to be super जुगती.
हाँ.
Like वो full जुगते मारते हैं और roast और जुगते हैं is literally the same.
Same thing.
So if I think about it कि वो ठीक है like वो culture थोड़ा सा dominantly काफी mature हो गया है but वो culture यहाँ पे 100% है.
For sure.
There are people who can take a very good joke and obviously अगर आप stand-up comedy कर रहे हो you're going into comedy, you're going to roast, you're going into these 1 minute things, you are the audience for it. It's not like, you know, you're just punching down on like Pathan jokes or Sardar jokes.
No, but put it this way, na. Like, I think you're thinking about it from question वैसे उसको किया.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah,
What's your input,
it's a-
by the way? Do
no,
you
no,
think
keep-
our country can take a joke?
Sometimes, but usually what I say is when we're punching up, we can't, and when we're punching down, then everything is funny, which I would like to see the opposite of.
I think down पे भी मसला है, bro.
Down पे होना
ये
चाहिए.
तो कह रहे हैं, down पे होना चाहिए.
No, I'm saying it's dangerous either way. Like, ऊपर करो तो कुछ हो जाएगा, नीचे करो तो कुछ
हाँ
हो
ये भी
जाएगा.
है वैसे देखा जाए.
Like,
In our country, punching up could also go wrong.
so my point is कि जिस तरह तू बात कर रहा है, हाँ, अपनी महफिल में, like, you can effectively say whatever to me, I can say whatever to you. ठीक है, हाँ, हमें पता है.
Punch left right hand.
ठीक है, like, crimes against humanity एक दूसरे के खिलाफ हो जाएगी, कोई मसला ही नहीं है. उसके बाद हाँ चल चाय पीते हैं, ये करते हैं. Anyways, हाँ, so my point was कि ये when it comes on like a public platform, तो people are extremely sensitive. मुझे याद है किसी ने like किसी सिंधी बंदी ने सिंधियों के बारे में जोक मारी, they got offended and like it just became a whole thing. So like someone that, you know, posts a lot of stuff online and which shouldn't be polarizing, by the way, the like stuff that you, but eventually आपको like कुछ ना कुछ तो मिलता ही होगा. And so that's why I was asking. So you
Yeah.
give it like a D or a C.
People are much angrier online because you can hide behind your screen, you can send hate anonymously. Like I think this isn't even a Pakistan problem. Just in general, worldwide now, the internet has made everyone really comfortable being negative and hateful towards like fellow humans. यार अभी मैंने वो पिछले दिन कह रहा हूँ, पिछली रात, yesterday, I went to watch a movie in the cinema with my friend. People were talking during the movie, full volume. People were flash के साथ photography. Flash क्यों on है?
ऐसे यार आप
तो-
जो फ्लैश इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अगर आप करते हैं तो फिर
Please.
बस like लान
Literally, यार. Like, चलो लेनी है ले लो. I wouldn't. Why are you picking up the call? हाँ यार मैं बस मूवी देख रहा. Like, bro, text. Anyways, मैंने वो लगाया अपनी स्टोरी पे. 2-3 entitled मैसेज आ गया. आपको नहीं पसंद तो आप घर जाएं. अबे, what am I saying? Like,
नहीं, एक सेकंड, क्या फिर से
they were like, अगर आपको पसंद नहीं तो आप घर बैठ के देखें, अपना सिनेमा खुद ही खोल लें. I'm like, bro, it's a communal, like,
Yeah, you
there's
paid for a
etiquette.
service and like,
Literally, bro,
yeah.
like, how are you getting offended at this? Clearly, you were the person taking the freaking photo. Like, so, उस पे I don't know, people get mad at anything online.
Are you okay with people clapping when the plane lands?
I hate that shit.
तुझे स्लैंडर कर रहा है.
I've never been on a plane.
My cousins, we were all traveling together, and my cousins, they're like 17, 18. They're like, yeah, we're gonna clap when the plane lands, and we were all like, please don't. And they're like,
You?
yeah, like,
As
this
a
is
joke? Oh,
That's
it's
right.
okay,
They're like-
okay.
And they started clapping. Everyone in the plane started clapping, man. I was like, God damn it, man. They set our people back 10 years. इतनी मुश्किलों से ये वाली हैबिट जो है ना हमने मिटाई थी.
What's the funniest bit of hate that you've received online? Like,
Funniest bit of hate.
मतलब कि जो आप कहते हो कि like यार तू जो है ना बहुत आला, बड़ी
There
तू
कभी लोगों के hate messages बहुत funny हैं.
like एक
Like I have to laugh at them. I don't know. I can't think of any off the top of my head, but they're just like, I'm like, okay, that was good.
अफरीदी जो है ना, अपना शाहिद अफरीदी,
Okay.
उसने Facebook के टाइप पे लिखा कि online for the next 30 minutes for your questions. किसी ने कमेंट किया, शायद भाई कभी 30 मिनट क्रीज पे ही टिक जाए.
People be funny, bro. Some of them be fun.
Allah.
It was funny.
Oh fuck's sake, यार.
Any say any like what are the like I wouldn't specifically ask you for them, but are there any like genre of messages that really get to you? That you're like, man, like like maybe sometimes you're sarcastic and people don't get that sarcasm and they're like,
when people don't get the joke, it goes over their head. That annoys me. But mostly, like, I think it's very easy to get me angry. Like, when I get the hate messages, pehle, like, I used to get sad. Then I felt like, oh, like, I can make a change. But now I'm just like, bro, F you. Like, you never say that shit to my face. You would never say that shit to my face. So, us pe mujhe bahut tab chadti hai. But any specific sort of message, it's when people don't understand the message that I'm trying to convey. Like, forget the humor in the video. If someone says you're not funny, I don't care. If someone says you're ugly, you're not care. But if they're arguing against the message of like an important video,
yeah,
it's like, bro, like, what am I saying that, like, because my video messages are what people deserve rights, or like, don't throw bottle at Talha Anjum. That was a recent one where people were like, why shouldn't we throw bottle? I was like, bro, you dumb? Like,
we
are
paid
you
for the ticket and we paid for the bottle.
हम तो वो तो हमारा slave है ना, हम तो उस पे फेंक सकते हैं. We are entitled to throw bottle if we want. तो उस पे stuff like that just boils my blood. Where I'm like, कितने जाहिल हो तुम लोग?
Did you see that video of अभी recently बंदे ने जो फेंकी थी बोतल और उसने उसको stage obviously you saw it but like
the point of view of the friend behind the guy who actually threw it and like छुप गया था. Yeah.
तो उसने उस बॉय को बुलाया ना स्टेज पे and I was watching और तूने वो एकॉन की वीडियो देखी है जिसमें एकॉन बंदे को स्टेज पे बुलाता है.
वो तो फेंकता है ना.
हाँ and I literally thought गंजुम ने जो है उसको फुल उठा के
करना
F you मार रहा था मैं.
He should have.
वैसे ब्रो क्या ही होना था उसके बाद अगर उसने like
Yeah, probably उसको ज़्यादा hate मिलती by the way.
हाँ.
कि like, oh, how can you?
इस तरह उसको कह सकते हैं कि like there is this video of Kid Cudi किसी बंदे ने जो है ना वो full like सुर मारे किसी ने बोतल like लगी भी नहीं I think शायद लगी थी यहाँ पे लगी थी उसको and he's like I'm telling you if you throw one more fucking bottle I'm walking. एक और बंदे ने बोतल फेंक दी चला गया तो like बहन Kid Cudi और fucking ड्रेक की भी अगर माँ बहन करते हैं स्टेज पे तो वो भी चले जाते हैं माँ बहन भी नहीं
like bro they're human beings.
हाँ तो I don't know why how they can like
and it's also weird because bro आप concert पे जा रहे हो you're taking out the time you're taking out the money and you're going with friends. You're a fan.
Yeah.
If let's say you're not a fan you admire the work of the artist that's on
you're
stage.
going to be entertained.
Yeah. तो एक वो भी फिर बंदा सोचता है कि bro like are you one of those underdeveloped brain guys के like you don't understand
the need to seem cool to everybody else now. It's
yo naughty boy you should have it.
हमनी we don't care. हम बोतल फेंकेंगे. I don't know bro. These stag parties and stuff they always take it overboard.
बंदे ने बनियान क्यों पहनी हुई थी वैसे बहन चो
boy ने
that was one of the more like why the fuck are you wearing a banyan?
I also noticed wasn't he wearing like a black top like with black रंग की उसने कपड़े नहीं पहने
black बनियान पहनी थी.
अच्छा ब्लैक बनियान थी.
हाँ और पहले जो फुल वाइफ बीटर के अंदर गया हुआ है क्या तू इस एक्चुअली अंसर को मसला ये था कि उसने वाइफ बीटर पहना हुआ था नॉट कि उसने लगी थी बट माइंड यू आई इन द स्टेट्स हाँ बहुत लोग चले जाते हैं बट दैट्स व्हेन दे डोंट नो के दिस इज व्हाट दे हैव साइंड अप फॉर. मैं तुझे लाइक एक बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग बात बताता हूँ दैट विल लाइक मूव फॉरवर्ड. तो येलो वुल्फ का पता है? Eminem का लाइक वो था.
ठीक है
एंड लाइक फुल कंट्री बॉय है लाइक हिलबिली रैपर है ना वो है और बड़ा उसका इंटरेस्टिंग होता है. सो ही वेंट ऑन दिस पॉडकास्ट एंड ही सेड दैट इन Alabama there's this festival that happens. I think it's called Creek Water या something like that. और उधर क्या होता है कि वहाँ पे क्या नाम है इट्स अ कल्चरल थिंग कि वहाँ पे जाके जो है ना पूरा क्राउड जो है वो चीजें फेंकती है क्या नाम है स्टेज के ऊपर और लाइक बंदे को मारने की कोशिश करती है एंड बोतल जूते
सब कुछ
everything like हाँ everything ठीक है और पटाखे और ये वो तो people go there to test their metal and like and the crowd everyone knows this is going to happen. ठीक है so you have to be prepared for it. Yellow Wolf कहता है कि like I went up there and like तो जाता है वो कहता है yeah go up there and I'm like trying to rap and I'm trying to like dodge bullets like bottles and like this that but then the craziest thing happened. People threw like fireworks on stage. वो जो छोटे पटाखे होते हैं ना उसने कहा मेरा गाना था and it went a bit like this is how the flow went. And then the craziest thing happened. He like threw those fireworks on stage and the moment like every one of those fireworks would go off.
They were on beat,
and I'd be like, the crowd was like, oh! So like interesting. Maybe अगर यहाँ पे I'm not saying आप बोतलें फेंकें यार अगर आप फेंकते हैं बोतलें और चीजें आप certified ठीक है but like अगर like artist को पता हो कि this is what they're getting in So maybe like they will stay on stage, but obviously, bro, you have no right to throw fucking shit on stage. David Grohl को तो I think किसी like he jumped into the crowd. David Grohl जो Foo Fighters वाला है और उसको किसी ने he's like यार मैं इतना मैं गरम क्यों हो रहा है तो किसी ने उसको like stun gun मारी थी
Holy God damn.
सोचो
Yeah, ये तो
crowd से भी कर रहे हो
Oh. Holy. People be crazy. Like a fan did it or security?
Fan.
That's insane, bro. What the hell did
Was
it?
it Pakistan में do you think that do you see any artists fan surfing ever?
यार इधर वो culture नहीं है. There's
नहीं?
no music culture here.
Actually, you know what? अंजुम आपको पता है क्या करना चाहिए आपके पास वो स्टीव आयोकी की तरह वो केक
Cake
होना
होना
चाहिए
चाहिए।
हाँ और वो मुंह पे रख के जो है ना. हाँ.
केक क्या खुली like
Like what's a desi like खीर की एक फिरनी होनी चाहिए. Like a desi thing, yeah? Like desi culture होना चाहिए.
अच्छा नहीं actually नहीं bro तुम्हें like अभी you shared we were talking about the funniest hate you've received online.
Hmm.
I saw this video where you were talking about like there was this guy who was skipping like across a pond or something.
हाँ.
और उसके ऊपर भी people were like hey, you don't have to bring up these things. And I was like bro ये क्या hygiene की बातें आ गई थी and I was like
People were being racist. Like वो basically अब तो बहुत localized है ना कि आपको पाकिस्तान की वीडियोस पाकिस्तान में नजर आएंगी but like 3-4 साल पहले sometimes a पाकिस्तानी के like गांव वाले की वीडियो would make it on the way
Yeah,
to,
okay.
like, उधर
Global
अपने-
trends.
हाँ,
Yeah.
तो I ये बहुत पुरानी वीडियो तो मुझे सही तरह याद भी नहीं लेकिन literally लोग like they were being racist in the comments on that video. They're like 9/11 इस तरह तक के नहीं sorry मैंने वीडियो बनाई थी
हाँ हाँ
where I was like वो मैंने देखा and it was like a guy doing like a 6-foot jump over a canal ठीक है
Okay.
किसी गांव में तो मैंने उस वीडियो को स्टिच किया मैंने कहा यार देखो हमारे मुल्क में इतना ज़्यादा टैलेंट है
Yeah.
एंड अगर कोई थोड़ी बहुत फंडिंग होती तो कहाँ से कहाँ हम पहुंच जाते ओलंपिक्स में क्या क्या कर सकते हैं अगर प्रॉपर ट्रेनिंग के बगैर देखो कितना वो ये
Okay,
कर
full on optimism and
हाँ,
like
तो मैंने उस तरह
positive.
कहा कि मैंने इस चीज़ पे वीडियो बनाई बट for some reason that made it into its way in America and people were leaving comments like you did 9/11 and I was like
हाँ मैं ही था मैं
I was like, bro,
जिंदगी
I was 5 years old. I promise I did not do that. But they were just, so I was reading the comments on that and just being really confused. Like, where is this racism coming from? Like, I'm talking about a Pakistani video, a
Long
Pakistani
jump.
issue.
Yeah.
और तुम गोरे कहाँ से आके? Like, literally. So, yeah.
एक ये था and then there was one where you were talking about like the Pakistani and the South Asian accent and that it can't be seductive.
Oh, yeah.
और वो तो फिर
That
एक
was my first viral video.
no fucking way.
That was what started it all.
Crazy. फिर एक बंदी ने उसको full like seductive message भेजा कि like
Oh, yeah. This guy did.
we can be seductive and he was just like bro क्या बकवास है?
She's a really nice lady, though. We became friends after that. After I made fun of her, she's like, okay, that was funny. And then, like, we kept in touch for like a year after that. She just randomly updated me about her life. I hope you're well. I forgot your name, but I hope you're well.
Seductress princess.
Your wife is gonna watch the show you
No,
know
not like that. Like, it's like she would randomly be like, okay, let's be friends. And I was like, okay.
बता लो Hey, so first video say how did this start for you then? Like was this like a conscious decision to like get into this line of work? Yeah.
Content creation or music? Content creation, no, man. I was unemployed, freshly graduated from uni, and TikTok was like a brand new thing. So I was just doing it for fun.
So you started off on TikTok then?
Yeah. And then, they say that video went viral. And I was just like, okay, like my friends kind of goaded me, why don't you pursue this? Like, why don't you see where it goes? And bas kar liya. So I was just like doing it for the hell of it. It was never like like a lot of people now are like, I want to be an influencer. I want to be a like it just happened.
Bro, थोड़ा ऊंचा बोलो like mic के अंदर when you like
थोड़ा
थोड़ी आवाज जो है ना वो नहीं हो रही थी.
आवाज सही आ रही है?
हाँ, just like try to speak slightly louder.
Okay.
So I just want like one question. So your content creation journey started before your music journey.
No. I've been making music for 15 years. But like consciously putting out music, नहीं वो भी साथ साथ ही हो रहा था. I've been putting out music a lot longer than I've been making content. पहले it was just on SoundCloud, just for like friends and stuff. And I think once I got into the content thing, I was like, why don't I use this as a stepping stone to push my music as well? So it साथ साथ ही हुआ था, but content is a very new thing to me. Music तो बहुत देर से कर रहा हूँ.
This is also a really cool genre which is musicians who are content creators, and when they make content to their music.
Yeah.
For example, मैं बिल्कुल भी musical बंदा नहीं हूँ. Like musical बंदे का मतलब ये नहीं कि like I obviously consume music
Yeah.
as an art form, but I don't participate in it.
Hmm.
I never knew that what pitch perfect means. लेकिन what's that really famous guy?
The white guy.
The white guy with the
Who
curly
sucks.
hair.
Of
has
course, white ही होना था.
Pitch perfect. Who's
क्या नाम था उसका?
Charlie Puth?
हाँ, yeah, Charlie Puth, yeah.
उसका मुझे कंटेंट कहीं पे एकदम से कहीं आ गया एल्गोरिथम के अंदर एंड देन लाइक यू नो ही मेक्स दोस वीडियोस वेयर ही इज लाइक ओ दिस इज द वो एंड देन देयर सो मेनी अदर वीडियोस व्हिच आर वेरी कूल बाय द वे बिकॉज़ दिस इज समथिंग बहुत डिफरेंट चीजें मैं आपस में वो कह रहा हूँ कि आई कंटिन्यू विद इट लेकिन बादशाही मस्जिद रैंडम फैक्ट हाँ मैंने इसलिए बहुत दो रैंडम चीजें कर रहा हूँ
बहुत ही random.
बादशाही मस्जिद के acoustics इतने अच्छे हैं that if you are to stand at the mihrab of the masjid and you were to give the azan at a certain note, so you don't need loudspeakers. वो
खुद ही resonate हो.
खुद ही हो जाता है. And I remember this is 2009-10 के अंदर जब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वो NGO work, NGP type work करता था, तो वहाँ पे एक बंदा होता था who was like 100 years old and he was a tour guide and he would know that note.
Wow.
And then very recently मैं कोई वीडियो देखा था उसके अंदर there's this guy who's also has like Pitch Perfect and he goes to like different restaurants and he messes with people.
Pitch Perfect क्या है?
Yeah, like the musician will define.
He literally has like, you know, in music there are notes like A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Mhm.
I think G tak hai.
Mhm.
So they can perfectly be like they can recognize which note, like if you put a key on a guitar, it's like this is this key,
Okay.
and then they can perfectly replicate it with their voice.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they're vocally trained and then उनका like super trained ear है. And then to continue that story, the connector with the Badshai story वो ये थी कि मैंने बहुत recently एक content देखा था एक boy का who had this gift and he would mess उसकी पूरी videos इस तरह होती थी that he would go to restaurants, pick up the frequency of the room as he calls it, and then let's say कि वो बैठा हुआ ना कमरे के अंदर
Uh-huh.
and he goes like the whole room vibrates and उसकी सिर्फ आवाज इतनी सी होती है and that's so cool लेकिन
That's really cool.
उसके अंदर मेरा ये था कि do you think that because we already discussed Atif Aslam but like he's a legend of the game that now does content creation, do you think that content creation and music are एक दूसरे को like complement करते हैं?
यार अब तो as a musician you have to make content in order to, like TikTok totally changed that. पहले तो it was a completely different marketing and campaigns, like the natural वो paid campaign. अब you have to either get influencers to use your songs, use your song yourself and kind of market it as an influencer. एक बहुत funny video किसी ने लगाई थी ना, there's like some struggling random artist on TikTok and they're like it's so embarrassing having to make music and then marketing it as a TikToker. Like no one asked Prince to make it, like I just made a song of the summer and then like, you know, play it, like it's really cringeworthy. So it's unfortunate, but yeah, like you have to be like a bit of a content creator. Ironically, I suck at making content for my music. As someone who's a musician and content creator, I suck at that, man. I don't know why. It just doesn't come to me.
Why would you like इस तरह के ideas नहीं आते how to make content?
हाँ, ideas नहीं आते. I don't know how to execute it. Like मुझे थोड़ी शर्म आती है. I'm just like, what am I doing? So it's weird.
You mentioned कि like you started making music पहले, but technically you became a content creator first.
Yeah.
Like you were known as a content creator.
Yeah.
Do you think it's difficult for people to digest the fact that you make music and good music because knowing that you're a content creator?
Yeah, I think so, man. I think either a lot of people don't know, even though मैं अपनी तरफ से तो बहुत push करता हूँ, but they don't know.
अच्छा वैसे bro इतना नहीं push करते. Like एक आपका वो yellow wallpaper freestyle
उसके
तो
पहले मैंने
सुने.
10 लगाए हुए हैं.
Really?
Yes.
Okay. Then
Yeah.
maybe चलो मुझे कुछ नहीं पता.
So हाँ, like I think people don't. There's a lot of people that follow me and then have listened to my song and didn't know that was like someone must be like, bro, तेरी राहों में, that was you on that song. I just saw answer. I assume कोई और answer है, but it's you. And yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know how to fix that. What was the question?
It was like, is it difficult for people to accept you as a musical artist knowing that you're a content creator?
Yeah, and I think the people that do know both,
Mm-hmm.
उनके लिए भी they just assume that it's bad or they just assume like it's funny or whatever music. So a lot of the times when I perform live now, people will come just to see me because I'm me, like as in like Answer the content creator. And then when they come like after the show, people will come up to me and be like, hey, like we knew who you were, or we came to see the opening act, we knew who you were, we stuck around for you, and you're actually good. Those are my 3 favorite words. You're actually good. वो assumption थी कि अच्छा बस एम ही सा होएगा, but they're like no, you're actually good. तो जो सुन लेते हैं वो फिर उनको पसंद आ जाता है. But most people, they don't give it a chance, unfortunately. But hopefully more
It's very difficult, bro. I don't think like it's, how do I put this? There aren't that many people that started off being known for content that successfully moved into music.
Something else or just music?
Just something else में तो हो ही जाता है.
Yeah.
But like music की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ.
Content into music.
Addison Rae did it pretty well, but like वो तो she was like an insanely popular, like
But वो तो like like that's a, I think the
वो तो
outlier.
she could
Yeah,
be
the
like whatever
outlier
that she wanted to
example.
be.
That's like saying Mr. Beast makes up a rap album, it'll be platinum.
It will be black.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so in Pakistan, is there anybody?
Muru.
But he was doing music anyways, no?
Was he? I don't know.
ऊंचा
I don't know
बोल
his
गया.
story.
He was doing music before his content, for sure. And then the really cool thing about his early content was that he would also do all the music himself. So he's also like a producer.
Oh,
He's not
अच्छा, अच्छा.
only just.
अच्छा, sick.
So I remember this being the cool thing about him, that because he wasn't doing short form, he was doing long form.
Yeah.
And he was doing sound score for his long form. So yeah, we could put him in the category, वैसे.
Is there?
Not anyone off the... I'm sure there are, and I'm sure I even know a few, but off the top of my head, I can't think of anyone.
Do you think you're facing an uphill battle then?
Yeah, in general, even if I wasn't a content creator, I would be facing an uphill battle. Music is, in Pakistan, it's an uphill battle. If you're not like signed, if you're not already established, and you're not part of that like favoritism, because favoritism bahut hai idhar. You're not part of that like inner circle now. To break into that inner circle, it's a bit of a battle. But that can be said about any country. It's not like unique to Pakistan, but it of course, for any like aspiring musician, it's an uphill battle, of course.
But you've got like some really nice songs under your belt. अभी तक my favorite one so far is क्या नाम है तेरी राहों में. Actually no, Normal Life मुझे बहुत पसंद आया था actually.
Yeah.
And I would go as far as to say you carried that song.
Oh wow.
And तो what पहले बताओ तुम्हारा favorite कौन सा है, then we'll like discuss that one first.
My favorite song of mine that has been...
is the one that is not released yet.
No. Out of the release songs, that is true though. But out of the release songs, I think I do like all my songs. Like there's a story behind every song, but maybe Hypocrisy at its finest or Priority Pass. Those two, because they're like...
Hypocrisy at its finest. वो है जो कल सुनाया था मुझे.
नहीं वो तो unreleased.
अच्छा.
Hypocrisy at its finest. That was about like it's literally about like it's a bit about my life and like an actual something that I actually experienced, and it's just about hypocrisy essentially, and like hypocrisy in Pakistan. So I talk about my own hypocrisy, then I talk about Pakistani hypocrisy, and I talk about like guys who like will go to uni, and you guys, I'm sure you understand this because we're like same circle of like for school and everything, but they go to uni, they mess around with every single girl on campus, they'll do everything, then they come back and they're like, I want to marry someone who's never even spoken to a guy. The wo wali hypocrisy, and then just the hypocrisy of life and death. So it was a very deep song, and I think I did very well to compress it into like 2 minutes. And Priority Pass is about, again, my life, what I was going through at that time. And the finishing lines are basically like, yes, but none of what we do here matters, because at the end of the day, we all die. And like, we're all boarding the same place and nobody gets a priority pass. Like, we're all going to die, and like, you're not going to be better than anyone else when we're all in the ground. So that was a really deep song as well.
यही बात अगर उर्दू में कर देते तो I think it would have gone platinum.
But दोनों गाने जो हैं वो English में.
That's what I'm saying. Like, is there a reason that you make music categorically in English so far?
यार
Like I can enjoy it really well. बड़ा मैं enjoy कर सकता हूँ,
Thanks,
इसको
bro.
करता हूँ.
I'm working on it. I'm working on my Urdu. I'm practicing. I think अगले गाने जो काफ़ी मेरे एक दो निकलेंगे ना उनमें मैं slowly I'm mixing in more Urdu English. या मेरा मसला ये है, I grew up listening to English rap.
You grew up abroad as well.
No.
अच्छा यहाँ के ही हो?
हाँ इधर
So this was like
यहाँ इधर school like either in Lahore, my school and stuff. But the school I went to, we weren't allowed to speak Urdu. It was an English
समझ आ गई है,
like
हाँ.
American school था. तो वो कहते थे कि no Urdu unless you're in Urdu class. तो वो वाला scene था. So mostly speaking English, then mostly listening to English music. So obviously that inspired me to also make English music. And I did live abroad for uni, but like yeah, it was just like never a thing where I was like, okay, like I want to make music in English. I just wanted to make music that I like listening to as well. But now that I'm here, now that I'm back, now that I want to break into this market, obviously I have to start changing. My issue is my Urdu is pretty weak. So I'm working on that. I'm trying to study a bit more Urdu. And the stuff that I can convey in English, I can't in Urdu, man.
You keep saying this phrase break into this market, bro. You have like 100,000 streams on your fucking Spotify. किस तरह तुम कह सकते हो break into this market?
I think I deserve more.
No, yeah, it's already
I think I deserve. I think like I want to be a bit more known in the local market, which right now I'm not. Right now, the songs that I have now, people come across that music.
Okay.
And people who do come across it, they do like it, but no one's like, yeah, when's the new Answer song coming out? दो तीन fans हैं इस तरह के, or like 200, 300 people, sure. But I think I deserve more. I'm not saying I deserve 1 million monthly listeners. I know the type of music I make, but out of the stuff that I do, I think like 20, 30,000 monthly listeners to hone chahiye that are like, yo, loyal and like cult type. So that's why I'm saying breaking in the market. And also behind the scenes, बहुत चल रही हैं, चीजें चल रही हैं.
Like new music, yeah, politics चल रही.
Politics चल रहे हैं.
Oh, are you presently signed to a label? Well, are you open? Are you open to it? Or are you against the whole idea of labels and them controlling you and you being the...
Yeah, Ravi, my opinion, Vasa, this is an interesting conversation if you guys want to get into this.
100%.
I would love your opinions as well because you've interviewed so many different artists. But yeah, labels, abhi jo hai na, jo, I don't know even if I should say this.
बोल दो, कोई मसला नहीं.
I mean, if you're not comfortable later on,
It's not that I'm not
take it out.
comfortable, but pehle hi jo hai na, I'm suffering from lack of favoritism. To wo sun ke kahe, acha isko to karna hi nahi. But acha, here's my opinion. Labels, especially जो abroad वाले इधर आ रहे हैं ना, they're basically committing a form of musical imperialism, like musical colonization इधर चल रही है, क्योंकि अभी हमारा music culture grassroots एकदम से बढ़ना शुरू हुआ है, साथ ही ये लोग आ गए हैं, these $billion labels, ठीक है, वो इधर आते हैं अपनी subsidy या जो भी वो बनाते हैं, bro, they are buying entire catalogs from musicians for like
peanuts.
हाँ, like हमारे लिए तो करोड़ बहुत ज़्यादा है ना, उनके लिए $20,000 क्या है? It's a rounding error.
Yeah.
For $1 billion company, the big three, Universal,
Warner,
and Warner. But these like, so I'm seeing these mega popular artists, and then obviously you sign to a label, and what they say now is now you cannot work with anyone who's on a different label, and you cannot work with anyone who's independent, who's smaller than you. तुम खाली उनके साथ काम करो जिसका तुम्हारा फायदा होएगा. Then people like me and other aspiring musicians हम रह जाते हैं, because those artists who might have worked with us 3-4 years ago, even though they were big, now the label saying no. उसके बाद the label controls what you do. वो तुम्हें कहेंगे अच्छा हमने तुम्हें इतने पैसे दे दिए, now we own you, we're gonna take you to a country abroad, you're gonna do the music for free and we're gonna make all the profits. Or they buy your catalog, they push it, because like Universal also owns a stake in Spotify, so they have playlist access as well. They're gonna buy your music for 1 crore, they're gonna put it on this playlist, you get bigger, your songs get bigger, they're gonna make 20 crore off your songs, but you're not going to see any of that. So, wo game hai. It's just like, it's kind of like short-term gains to sign with people.
You're very, बिल्कुल ठीक बात की है. इसका मैं एक counter put forward इस तरह करता हूँ कि though there's two ways to look at it. Yes, you're 100% right. I put it forward in this way, कि bro, this was happening in America as well. It was happening in the UK. It was happening in all the other side developed markets. And it was happening like a while back. Let's say thousands के अंदर 90s 2000s हाँ फिर इनको समझ आनी शुरू हो गई etc etc, but it's part of a growing process. like आपकी industry, हाँ, I feel एक तो ये है growing process मुझे लगता है. Secondly, bro, they're still making all the money off of their touring. I'm assuming कि like, and what was the flip side of this? Let's say हाँ 1 करोड़ या 20,000 या 30,000 डॉलर या जितनी भी दे रहे हैं, like this is, it can change someone's life.
Oh, for sure.
It can change someone's
I don't blame
life.
the artists
Ah.
at all. I will never blame an artist for signing to a label. For me, it's just like these labels are kind of just vultures. Like they see a growing market and they're like, let's capitalize. Because you said, as you said, जो अब अमेरिका वाले लोग हैं ना उनको पता चल
समझ आ गई.
क्योंकि that's why there's so many independent people. They own their own masters. ठीक है, they're like, we will not sign away our masters. उन सबको अंदाजा हो गया इस चीज का. People are very new to this thing here. So these people are coming here and taking advantage of the fact that no one knows better.
Bro, but the advantage की बात नहीं है. I put it this way कि you're right. मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि but for Pakistani music to get to a point where they can be independent, there needs to be a market that is already established.
True.
हाँ एक आ रहा था वो boom आ रहा था, but like I don't think it would have been that sustainable. Do you understand what I'm saying? Where when someone is pumping in money, then there's more money to go around, and like people will actually know कि like you know इस काम के अंदर पैसे भी बन सकते हैं. And like ये जो 2010 थे पाकिस्तान के अंदर वो सिर्फ आपके legacy acts.
Yeah, हाँ.
That was
Yeah.
a different reason.
No, I'm saying कि legacy acts ही थे ना आपके, like the Ali Zafars, the Atifs, the Nusrat नहीं, sorry, Rahats and इस तरह के थे. But now you have the fucking यार वो कौन है तेरे से बना है इरादे किसका गाना है?
Oh, Abdul Hanan.
Abdul Hanan, sorry, I know who you are, but the name just skipped my mind. Abdul Hanan, Taha Ji, ये सारे जो boys हैं.
No, for sure, bro.
And I don't even think they're signed.
Yeah,
Maybe they are signed to a label.
No, they are.
Music culture comes from grassroots, not from top down. At least in जो culture music का है ना, you cannot. Yeah, there's more money to go around. There'll be more musicians. It's better for musicians. But when we're making a culture ना, तो वो grassroots से ही बनता है. And you know, on that topic, I think our music getting banned in India is low-key a good thing for us.
अच्छा, that I disagree with. But Pakistan के अंदर there's only 1 million Spotify users.
बढ़ेंगे ना?
Bro.
तो इस तरह बढ़ेंगे. You देखो, okay, maybe it's not a good thing. It's good thing for music culture, bad thing for musicians for sure. Because उधर ज़्यादा music culture है ना? उधर they spent years and years honing that music culture from the ground up, and now it's built itself.
Bro, but वहाँ पे ये सारे like वो भी आए थे ना सारे the fucking labels आए थे, and that's where the thing started from. Like Nas collaborated with like Indian artists जब यहाँ पे ये शुरू हुआ था.
I think इसने पाकिस्तानियों के साथ भी किया है ना?
हाँ, like Anjum is signed to Mass Appeal.
Yeah,
which is Nas's label.
Nas's label.
So my point is वो एक label आया, it gave a space to Anjum, and like I think I don't want to say JJ है उसके ऊपर, Manu है, maybe a couple of more artists जो उसके ऊपर sign है. तो people जिनके उनके साथ गाने थे, they would probably like search for artists that are in that proximity, or even if not in that proximity, like similar area के अंदर. जिस तरह हो जाता है, oh you liked Turhan James, maybe you will also like Ansar, maybe you will also like Shahrukh Sarfraz, जिस तरह कह रहे होते हो. तो हाँ, it is like हाँ, we are sort of getting the short end of the stick here, but at least we're वो बात है कि कुछ
getting a stick.
Like पहले तो ये था ना कि यहाँ पे like you know you were just giving it out for free, and maybe कभी आपको concert मिल जाता था. I remember Bilal Khan नहीं था, but like किसी का concert हम back in the day करा रहे थे, उसने 3 लाख या 4 लाख रुपए मांग लिए थे, and we were like
Bilal Khan ही था.
I don't think so.
Just calling him out on camera, but like हाँ Bilal Khan था 2009.
नहीं, it wasn't Bilal Khan.
2009 में यार वो जो फुटबॉल मैच भी कराया था यार.
नहीं वो नहीं, तू किसी और की. हाँ, बिलाल खान आया था वहाँ पे, but
उधर वाले में. अच्छा तू कह रहा है
मैं किसी और की बात कर रहा हूँ
जो एम्फी थिएटर में कराया था कोई ऐसा.
हाँ, something like that.
ओ वो है प्यार दी गंढे
Simth. Maybe. But my point is कि वो उस टाइम पे इतने ले रहे थे, and now they're charging in like the tens of millions नहीं, like lakh.
ones of millions.
20 तो मांग ही लेते हैं.
Obviously, yeah, bro.
I'm trying to get on that level.
नहीं, like
अच्छा वैसे
Asim Azhar को tens of millions I think मिले थे for the Punjab thing.
I am very pro record labels, by the way. Yeah, because like I think that, let's say an artist who starts off his journey, ठीक है, I think in today's time, there are a lot of tools such as like social media and other things that might give you like a 0.3% chance of going and becoming huge. But let's say जब आप songs push कर रहे होते हो अपने, so there are like obviously some technicalities कि like आपको like maybe like distro का नहीं पता एक artist को कि like मैंने अपने actually गाने कहाँ से distribute करने हैं, like वो Spotify पे upload नहीं होता, मुझे पहले जाके इधर पहले मुझे like इधर जाके upload करना पड़ेगा like DistroKids के ऊपर या इधर करना पड़ेगा, and then those guys will eventually put my songs on Apple Music and you एक तो that gets covered. B आपको I think एक बहुत अच्छा I'm not like saying this, लेकिन maybe like paid bots push मिलता है, लेकिन आपको push मिल जाता है एक बहुत अच्छा किस्म का
आर्टिफिशियल पुश है तो फिर फायदा क्या है?
No, but artificial, it's like a
देखो
it's a gray area where I don't know if it's a artificial push or not, लेकिन and even अभी एक और आपने बात की थी जिसके अंदर you were saying that they're coming in and buying all the catalogs and everything like that. I have actually participated in this. I am a part of the problem that I have actually done this, that I have bought a song of a artist. Let's say roughly about like hypothetically speaking, I don't have this kind of money, but like let's say $2,000 का मैंने किसी से एक सोलो गाना लिया है, एक्सक्लूसिव राइट्स नहीं है, और फिर उसके ऊपर मैंने $2,000 का एक मार्केटिंग कैंपेन लगा के विद लाइक लेफ्ट राइट जो भी एक म्यूजिक मार्केटिंग के अंदर कैंपेन्स लगते हैं, एंड आई हैव सोल्ड दैट सॉन्ग फॉर मे बी $10,000. So ये even
it's like a business move.
It is, people are doing this, and there are so songs right now, by the way, that I cannot name because there's so many. जो TikTok trends और जो आपके Instagram, YouTube Shorts trends होते हैं, they're so heavily pushed just for the purpose of that they are today owned by Salman, and tomorrow Salman's waiting for XYZ company to come in and say, hey, Ansar, we like your music and we buy this off you. And you're like, oh, buddy, I already sold it to Salman. And then they're like, who's this guy?
No, I get what you're saying. From a business point, it makes sense. But for me, I'm looking at it from a musical, cultural.
100%.
तो वो फिर मुझे होता है. Also, another issue that will come up in the future, undoubtedly, that issue that has been plaguing America and stuff with these labels, they will start suppressing you. अभी तो वो खुला वो कर रहे हैं ना क्योंकि इधर options नहीं है. But let's say I am rapper. Okay, I signed to label A. Label A का एक और rapper आता who kind of sounds like me, but he's more palatable, he's more marketable. They're going to tell me I cannot release music. But they still own, they've given me money. I have to pay that money back. Now I'm broke. Now I'm unable to release music. Now I'm signed 360 deal. I can't get out of this. And this is story heard all throughout North America and Europe, bro. तो ये वाले मसले भी अभी आएंगे, mark my word.
ये अभी जो इन्होंने बात की है कि he owes the label money, होता क्या है कि लेबल जो है आपको पैसे देता है, ठीक है, कि आप अपनी एल्बम बनाएं, पर वो एक लोन के तौर पे देते हैं और आपने उनको पैसे वो वापस करने होते हैं. तो अगर उन्होंने आपको वो पैसे दे दिए एल्बम निकालने के लिए, आपने एल्बम बना ली और बट देन दे से अच्छा ये आप रिलीज नहीं कर सकते, तो फिर आप फंस जाते हो. ये वो बात करना चाह रहे हैं, which बट ये अभी मसला तो किसी ने हल नहीं किया unless you're an independent artist.
This comes at a very later stage of the music industry.
हाँ, जो हमारा वो है ना लाइफ स्केल.
हमारी तो भी I think like लाहौर, कराची, इस्लामाबाद से अगर आप निकल जाएं तो आप किसी शहर के अंदर 10 आर्टिस्ट नहीं ढूंढ पाएंगे.
10 का, come on एसन,
लाल कुर्ती लेकिन 10 इसलिए मैंने कहा 10 आर्टिस्ट का इसलिए मैंने, लेकिन हाँ तो वो I think
टिवाने से सलमान टिवाना.
हाँ कोई why not.
Are you from a गाँव, by the way? Yeah, to Lahore, born and bred.
Lahori.
Fair enough. So, bro, like, you talk really passionately about music. So, but content creation के बारे में अभी तक I haven't heard you speak. Like, you did critically analyze like Atif Bhai's वो content game.
So, like, answer, this is Atif viral.
नहीं, ये तो बिल्कुल आएगा. But like, my point is, it sounds like you're more passionate about music than you are content creation.
For sure.
So like, are you looking to make like a full-on pivot into music? Yeah,
I'm trying. Yeah.
Oh, for real? So content creation is gonna be like is gonna stop, or is it gonna be put like on a back burner then?
I don't know if it will stop, but I would like for it to be on the back burner. It's never been something that I've planned to do my whole life, and it's never been something that like I've been chasing. It's just I've kind of been going with the flow, and I'm grateful for it. And I think I've developed and met people through it that I never would have met otherwise, and I love that. But music is something I love. I don't like I said, I don't consume content as such, and I'm not like, I've never looked up to a content creator. तो उससे मुझे, I'm just like, okay, like that's a thing. And I also, if I'm being honest now, I think content creation is at that point now where it's kind of negatively affecting society, like
अच्छा
with like doom scrolling and slop and brain rot or वो सब, वो बहुत ही like, I don't know. But yeah, music I love, so I would love to do that full time.
Are you aware that people have this online perception of you created by your online like content, like, and how different is that online perception to how you are as like a real person? Like, kitna koi different?
Very different. I think people always meet me and they're like, oh, oh, you're very quiet in real life. Like I think I'm a bit shy in real life. I'm a bit of an introvert. So, but in my content, I'm like fully khula bol raha hoon. But that's because I'm in my room. I'm just goofing around. But I don't goof around that much. Like unless I'm बहुत familiar है ना. So I won't take it there. So people always get surprised by that. Yeah.
Fair enough, fair enough. So, your content creation side and your musical side, how do these aesthetics like match? Like, where do they like, Venn diagram unka kahan pe like wo karta hai, and how are they different? Like, how would you differentiate your content creation
Like my persona?
not even just persona, let's call it aesthetic and your musical aesthetic.
Yeah, aesthetic.
Like, you are socially conscious in both of them. Like, ek wo aapko line nazar aati hai, but like wo
Even the funny stuff, like rap and comedy go hand in hand.
100%.
So that's helped me a lot. I think if you listen to some of your favorite rappers, the bars that you like, the metaphors you like, they're funny.
Funny.
So that's what makes a good line sometimes. So that's helped a lot. That's helped with both things. And I think you have to be a bit of outspoken, like macho type in both. Like I can't be shy and reserved when I'm telling a joke, and I can't be shy and reserved when I'm telling a rap. I think the only thing is obviously being a bit more serious during the music stuff. So I don't know how I just do. I don't know. It's not like a conscious thing. It's just like, okay, let's lock in.
तुम्हारा content creation का जो creation, when you're creating content and when you're creating music, what are those processes like? And again, how do they like intertwine, or how are they like different?
Yeah, music ka process though, up though it's very different because now I'm like finally like I have a lot of friends in the industry and like they'll invite me to the studio, so we all jam together, listen to beats together. But pehle, like when it was just me, my music is inspired a lot from the music I listen to. So sometimes like I get inspired, or I have a topic in mind that's just, I'm like, okay, I want to get this down on paper. Or it's like Dear Diary, like I'm just writing for that.
This is for music.
Yeah, for music. So, and then that turns into and then that turns into a song. So I'm like, okay, like we can make something of this. So, or like when I want to make a song that I actually want to release, I take a day out of I take like some time out of my day, and I'm just like, okay, like this is music time. Then I will listen to 100 beats, and unme se ek mujhe acha lag gaya. Like either I'll have a topic in mind, and I'm trying to find a beat to fit that topic, or I'm looking for a nice beat that might inspire something. So then I write, I record, and then I send it for mix mastering, or I'm collabing with someone, we have a back and forth. With content, it's kind of like I don't know, it's not that thought, like itna main soch ke nahi karta. Usually it's like on the spot, or if it's a skit na, I write down an idea, then when I have time I write down a script for that idea, and then when I have time I'll film that script and I'll actually shoot it. So
as someone that's in the content game and in the music game, इसके अंदर जो है ना, the numbers are sort of like, numbers की importance जो है in both these games काफी differently. I mean, numbers are important in both situations, but like as a content creator, are numbers more important than in the music game, and vice versa? Like music and the numbers किस तरह compare करते हैं when they're in like the content game as a measure of success?
Unfortunately, numbers are important for both. I think to me personally, maybe numbers are a bit more important for content. Not like, I don't know how to explain. I want more numbers on Spotify. So on like music, sorry, but like I'm okay. Like I don't want to artificially inflate my numbers or something. You know what I mean? Like for me, it's like, yeah, like I want more numbers on Thing, but maybe it's easier to get numbers on social media and stuff. तो उस पे थोड़ा वो है, and like growth is a bit more like not analytical. Like you can see the growth more on social media.
I feel like success जो है वो content game के अंदर it depends more on numbers. Music के अंदर तो like let's take KSI का example. Like KSI and Freddie Gibbs का example ले लेते हैं.
Hey, KSI was a good example of our previous conversation. He's a content creator that turned into a musician.
Yeah, and he's a solid like musician.
Solid musician.
नहीं मतलब कि
I don't know.
मेरी बात सुन, नहीं एक दो उसके गाने अच्छे नहीं है, नहीं थिक ऑफ इट जो था वो ऑफ था, पर लाइक उसके अलावा ठीक ही थे उसके गाने. अच्छा चल यार जेक पॉल पे आ जाते हैं, फिर उसने भी गाने बनाए थे ना एक टाइम पे.
अच्छा,
हाँ
bro, no idea.
It's like Rick Ross या Gucci Mane के साथ गाना.
हाँ.
Hey.
But bro, yeah,
But my point is कि like he has like I think quite बहुत ज्यादा streams हैं उसके पास.
yeah, that's exactly what I don't.
हाँ, exactly. So that's my point. He can have like all those streams, and he won't have the respect of like his peers and maybe even like
Yeah.
In the music industry.
the general audience people. But someone like let's say Freddie Gibbs, जिसके like I think his recent album का नहीं पता, Alfredo I think sold first week 30,000 units या 20,000 units.
That's considered.
But Grammy nominated, and मेरे लिए I think it's I would go
That's
as far
what-
as to say my favorite album of all time or second favorite.
Yeah, I would definitely, one of my favorite albums of like the 2020s.
तो
Um,
काफी वो एक interesting vibe आ जाती है.
Even Ka, bro, 100,000 monthly listeners. That man has made such an impact on rap. It's such an impact on me personally. So for like, it's not really, especially as a rap purist, it's never been about the numbers as rap. And I just want to make an impact. Musically, I want to make an impact. So
Okay.
I don't want to chase numbers. I remember one time I was performing live, and this was one of my first ever live performances. I was performing in LGS 55 का जो था ना उनका वो festival हो रहा था. And I was like, yo, does anyone have any requests? And someone actually shouted out a request. And it was a very, not unpopular song, but one of my less streamed songs. And I was like, whoa. And when I was singing it, he was rapping it word for word. That was the first time that ever happened. That was really cool. And it's a very like not like बहुत वो proper full rap wala gana hai. And after the performance, he came up to me. He's like, bro, like that song really resonated with me at that time of my life. And that song I think that song had like 3,000 streams at that point. That's what I care for more. I'm okay making a change if my numbers are low, as long as I'm impacting people.
So individual connection over like
Hell
mass
yeah.
appeal.
Yeah, bro. Like if I'm getting fake 100,000, मुझे bot से क्या, like 100,000 streams से क्या हो जाएगा? It's a nice number to look at, and I think that changes people's perceptions, unfortunately. But will that have any cultural impact? Will that have any musical impact or personal impact? No.
You know what they should try? They should try and removing the numbers off of Spotify. Let's see कि उससे फिर impact क्या होता है on music consumption.
Yeah, that's true though, because I think those numbers are only helpful to the artists when they sit down with some record deal.
Yeah.
That they could be like, oh, analytically, I could bring you this, but for the audience, it has, yeah, good one.
That's
Spotify Pakistan.
Job available.
Shark Tank पे music platform where you don't see the numbers.
वो फूल बोलेंगे कि ये woke bitches आ गई हैं mental health के लिए वो करने के लिए. But like for real, bro, quite a few of my like Griselda को भी for example ले लो. Not platinum selling artists, but
Yeah.
like West Side Gun. इसकी like artwork भी यहाँ पे नहीं बड़ा था in the previous
Conway.
video
I
as
saw
well.
Conway live, man. Insane performer. He's too good.
तुम्हें लगता है कि रैप गेम पाकिस्तान में इतनी कभी प्योर हो सकती है जितनी तुम लाइक
है यार, अभी से ही है. I think the underground artists, and there is so much music bubbling up now as compared to 5 years ago. Listen to SN, you listen to Alistair, you listen to all of these guys, bro. The Rage ko sun lo, in sab ko sun lo. All these guys,
Pakaveli, yes, Sabino Pakaveli.
they've all, yeah, and
Very Pakavelian guest.
I would put me in that. I know मैं खाली English में करता हूँ, लेकिन वो pure rap मैं करता हूँ. तो यार सुनता हूँ and there is a couple of other people. एक boy था उसका नाम असद है. I don't think he even has a Spotify. But I was listening to his rap in Bahawalpur when I was performing. He was there. वो हम सब जना टेबल पे बैठ के rap कर रहे थे. And I was listening, I was blown away. And he's a kid. He's like 19. Alistair का छोटा भाई Ashwin, bro, that guy has been touched by God. वो इतना अच्छा musical है, and it's just natural to him. In the way that even me and Alistair are like, oh, we can't. Like, so there's so much rap purity, like, hai yaar. It's just a matter of being more recognized. I think that'll happen as the culture grows. And hopefully we see that happen.
Fair enough, bro. तो like ये different platforms के ऊपर जब post कर रहे होते हो, do you feel like you have to like tailor make your content for these different platforms? Like like TikTok के ऊपर कुछ content ज़्यादा चलता होगा because it like sort of उसकी algorithm, I'm assuming,
Yeah, the algorithms are different.
is different. Like, do you feel like you have to do something like that? Yeah, even for like your music, do you feel like ये तुम्हें करना पड़ता है?
Yeah, it was a more...
Sorry for like jumping between
नहीं,
content
all
and
good.
music. So like मैंने beginning में कहा था these two questions are gonna like
It was a bit more active when I was more active on content, because now I kind of just do it whenever I have the time. But pehle it was an active thought like, अच्छा ये TikTok पे चलेगा, ये नहीं चलेगा. The algorithm for TikTok, pehle, like I think it was better when I was abroad, and ever since I came here, my TikTok views don't get that much anymore because of the local algorithm. But I'm just like, whatever. I don't really think about that anymore.
Fair enough, bro. Fair enough. तुम्हारा music जो है, when people listen to it, उनको ये तो नहीं कभी like, how do I put this? उनको ये तो नहीं लगता ये English में गा रहा है तो ये elite class के लिए music है या इस तरह का है? Because people जो यहाँ पे like when they start making English music, it's sort of like, अच्छा, this isn't for me, especially for like the average listener की बात आ जाती है.
I think the biggest feedback I get from all my listeners and all my fellow musicians is, bro, English छोड़ दे, उर्दू में आ, उर्दू में आ. I'm just like, bro, like, I don't know. Why isn't there's so many English Indian rappers. Hanuman Kain ko dekh le. Look at the would he have achieved those heights if he was rapping in Hindi? No. No. If his breakout song, that wouldn't have gone viral. It was going viral in America. Hindi mein hota. Second ruko, mere paas chuko. Like wo log kehte ye kya hai? It's, you know what I mean? So yeah, like that's what I listen to. That's what I'll do more Urdu. I know, like, you have to become more palatable to the audience here, but give the English a chance. We all listen to English music, man, don't we? We listen to the Justin Biebers, we listen to the Drakes and the Kendricks and stuff. So what's different if a artist here? And also another thing I've noticed, not to bash anyone, I won't take any names. जो इधर के उर्दू musicians हैं, वो जब English गाने बनाते हैं, those are really bad. Those are really bad. So why?
तू चुप रह, तूने पहले से उसको बहुत डिस किया है ना आगे.
Why wouldn't you just, like, if you're going to listen, अच्छा वो उर्दू वाला घटिया इंग्लिश में कर ले तो तुम सुन लोगे, जो अच्छे इंग्लिश में कोई कर रहा है वो क्यों नहीं सुन रहे तुम?
Couldn't agree more.
Like, and yeah, man, I'll stay quiet.
Yeah.
I'll stay quiet.
Yeah.
मैं अब इतना curious हो गया वैसे मैं.
We are thinking about the same song.
I have no idea who they're thinking. I don't have any specific person I'm thinking about when I'm saying.
Yeah.
नहीं है तू, you're
always-
just too nice
yeah,
to like
yeah.
say it, bro.
People always told me, yeah. People always told me.
They're like, Ansar को ये वाला
People
जो.
always told me.
वैसे elite कौन है वैसे पाकिस्तान का? Like लोग हर वक्त they throw around this phrase. Oh, the elite of Pakistan. The elites are doing.
Elite of Pakistan, तूने like, oh, अच्छा, like
Like ये elite, like इस तरह की.
think tanks or like
No, bro. The elite
income
class की बात कर.
disparity की बात हो रही है?
Elite, या तू पता नहीं.
Income class की बात हो रही है?
No, मैं बस generally तू content consume करता है ना?
हाँ, yeah.
उसके ऊपर कभी like कोई तनकीद कर रहा होता है, वो ये comment नहीं देखा भाई, ये elitist liberal type boys जो है ये वो type.
हाँ, yeah.
Who are they
yeah.
referring to?
Are
We are
not-
probably
I
already
think
part of that.
I think
We are definitely.
if you're privileged, you're in the elite class. No, I would consider us a privileged class in this country.
हाँ, buddy, yeah.
Yeah.
But
They're talking about you.
You as well.
You know, मैं तो bro.
तेरी मैं who is this about?
They're talking about you.
Balance sheet
मैं
निकालूं
तुझे tag करूँगा अगली बार.
मैं तेरी balance sheet निकालूं
Very poor these days, by the way. We're very poor these days. Balance sheet. लेकिन
assets
इंशाल्लाह
FBR अगर आप देख रहे हैं
सबको दे हो शुरू हो गया वैसे 20% ऑफ अगर आप लोग जुलाई से पहले
Enter code NAP
जुलाई
for 20%
enter
discount
code
on
PARK
taxes.
20 for 20% off on your
what's this
ब्रो जुलाई से पहले अगर आप अपने लैंड टैक्स दे दो तो आपको 20% ऑफ मिलता है
देख तुझे ही पता था ये
नहीं पंजाब गवर्नमेंट ने इश्तेहार लगाए हुए हैं हर रोड के ऊपर मुझे वहां से पता है आई एम मार्केटिंग गाय नो लैंड्स
No, ये conversation शुरू यहाँ से हुई थी कि I was like, if you're rapping in English, do you get these sort of comments?
Yeah,
Like, are you ये आप इनके लिए म्यूजिक बना रहे हैं? And I was just like, बस मुझे उस टाइप से ख्याल है तो कौन है ये लोग?
I mean,
आप तो usually you can probably not, you can be a Vadera and you
Yeah,
still be
लेकिन
part of the elite
उसका
class, but you won't be an elite
I
liberal.
don't care.
And without sorry really answering your question एक और इसका flip side ये भी है then because see Urdu spoken by X amount of people let's say you make content music in English it is consumed by X amount of people so you're also opening up your wo
Yeah.
so for example I think मैंने Peter Cat recording कोई 2 साल सुनता रहा हूँ
Hmm.
2 साल सुनता रहा हूँ पता नहीं था कि इंडियन बॉय है
No way.
सिंगर इंडियन है
Achha, but he's not based in India.
ही इज नॉट बेस्ड इन
Yeah,
इंडिया
yeah, he's just
लेकिन
Indian.
एक इंडियन बॉय है
Yeah.
मैंने आई थिंक प्रतीक को हार्ट के भी एक दो
I
गाने
knew you were gonna bring him up.
या एक दो गाने सुने होंगे शुरू के अंदर नेवर न्यू इज अ इंडियन गाय
You don't know Pratik?
नहीं एक दो गाने अच्छा और फिर एक और गाना है जो उसका मुझे नाम नहीं आता प्रॉब्ली गोना बुचर इट
He thought he was Bulgarian or
नहीं ब्रो लेकिन but still get it like
taken off.
लेकिन you could at least do the same thing कि Peter Cat recording is based in America but in
Yeah.
India so you could always think अच्छा ये प्रतीक को हार्ट बॉय कोई कैनेडियन इंडियन होगा जो like
Indian, हाँ.
इंडियन 2.2 है
True.
2.0 है तो लेकिन वो उधर का बंदा निकला
Yeah.
इसी तरह there's another Indian band that sings French songs
नहीं.
या और मैं लाइक उसका एक्चुअली पता है किसी तरह ढूंढ लेता हूँ It's just, हाँ मैं सुनता हूँ वो गाना बड़ा अच्छा है आई लव अ फ्लावर दैट इज अ ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ द सॉन्ग लेकिन मुझे कोई एक दो सालों के बाद पता चला था कि ओ दिस फ्रेंच सॉन्ग इज इंडियन लाइक वाओ
That's
So,
very interesting.
या तो उसके अंदर आई वुड से द अपसाइड इज कि या आई मीन लाइक doesn't need to be in Urdu.
Yeah. Like,
It can be when he wants it because he's more about individual experiences than the mass appeal. So, and he's not only singing. I would this is coming from me. I don't know you.
No, I do agree.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
pretty much spot on. Like it's,
Yeah,
like I'll do it.
मैं
I'll see.
पसंद है
Mass
ये बस
appeal,
सबके सामने.
inflated numbers and yeah.
Anyways, yeah, it's a दो चीजें रह गई हैं. तो answer your online perception is that you're a very nice guy and you want to spread positivity. And so I'm gonna ask you to say one nice thing about the following people.
Okay.
Do you guys say one nice thing about Andrew Tate?
No.
He doesn't use shampoo.
He has a nice suit.
The nicest thing I can do is be quiet right now. He does not have a nice suit. It's terribly fitted. Are you joking? Terribly fitted.
Nice sunglasses.
Nah.
Nice car.
I'm gonna stay quiet.
Say what?
Next.
Next, uses a lot
Who's
of
the next
shampoo.
person? Let's hear it.
Say one nice thing about Donald Trump. He has nice hair.
Say what he's funny.
He's funny. He really.
It's unfortunate how funny he is.
Nah. Okay.
Terrible person though.
Diddler का नाम ले सकता हूँ.
हाँ,
चलो. Say one nice thing about Diddy.
There's a couple of his songs that I grew up with. Bad Boy for Life. That was great.
Up until
Unfortunately,
2020.
yeah. Didn't know what he meant by Bad Boy for Life. That I found out much later. But
Have you heard his fucking song जो whatever you heard it, Diddy did it. वो पता नहीं क्या वो जो like it's fucking hilarious, bro. Tell the fucking
what a
friend.
terrible person.
Hilarious. Anyways, bro, thank you so much for coming on. And अब मैं एक वैसे आपसे गुजारिश करूंगा कि आप हमें एक elites के लिए जो है एक
Rap सुनाएं.
rap सुना अगर सकते हैं. If you anything that you have.
I'm gonna take out my phone. I have it written down.
Oh damn.
I'm not my memory is bad. Okay. मैं इधर जवाब भी कर सकता हूँ. Can I do it?
It's literally I'm you're probably
do
going to
like-
rap not better than 99% of the country. So
ये काट देना, so it just looks like I'm just, you're like, yeah.
bro, chilling, like just put it up. Like कोई वो मस्सा नहीं है. Like Method Man did it as well. So like I'm certain if Method Man can do it, then so can you.
Yeah, Drake messages people to like send them lyrics and then he raps.
Cutting
So-
that off. Drake is a new. Drake आ रहा है, ठीक है. ये पहले से ही उसको हर बंदे से मसले हो रहे हैं. All right, here we go. S in कह रहा था. Here we go. Answer on the mic. Here we go.
Yeah. Gazing at the skyline at nighttime, dressed in all black like I fight crime. It's easy to talk shit about the starters when you're sidelined. Ain't nobody stepping up to me that's in their right mind. Wrong time if I say, but it's just right. Break bed, spreading bread. I got one life. Got a temper, but I try to keep that shit in check, cause I let it go. But you know that hustlin' loves fights. My meal costs the budget that you travel on. What I buy, they don't sell on any Amazon. And I traded in the Rolex for an Apple Watch, cause when you're this rich, you don't have to flaunt. Clark Kent, please don't make me take the glasses off. Order 66, I'm killing these little Padawans. Nerdy bars, but the shorty's still geeking. Let me jump in the deep end, I'm freaking. Listen when I'm speaking. Got you on your knees, then we repent, let the games begin. You don't wanna beef like a vegan, every day is a weekend. Family dinner's getting too hard to pretend like I'm decent. Mistreating the system, I never stop at customs. I guess they love me like I'm Atif Aslam. Double A's on the name, but the steak triple. And it's cooked in front of us, the flame sizzles on a first date. Already thinking about wedding dates? I got some ground rules first, let me set it straight. Ask the waiter for a bill, bring a single check. You only need to split when I tell you that it's getting late. Take a hint, make a drink, don't sip all. What you need, take your pick, make quick calls. Break the ice, ship sink like the Titanic. If you want static with us, we get dynamic.
Woo! The fucking Clark Kent
Crazy,
line
bro.
was elite.
Thanks,
Nice.
And the fucking Atif bar was also crazy.
Thanks, guys.
Guys, if you
Fuck
don't
yeah.
know, now you know. Answer, thank you so much. New music coming out soon?
My new song with Natasha Ijaz is coming out August 6th, I believe. Yeah.
We can't fucking wait. Watch out for that. Can we get the name of the song by any chance?
We don't have a name yet.
Chalo,
Okay.
the song with no name with Natasha Ijaz and Answer coming out August 6th.
I believe it's called Future Zindagi. That's the name we've decided on. So I believe that's what it's called. It's like a nice little bossa nova love song. Really cute song. And I'm going to be rapping in Urdu in that, so.
Oh, not only for the elites, guys.
Answer, thank you so much, man.
No, it's been a
Salman,
pleasure,
thank you
man.
so much.
It's been a pleasure.
Thank you so much, guys. And we are out.
Thanks for having
PG,
me.
guys. Good one.
So.